वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू।
है वतन मेरे वतन,
है वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन,
है वतन मेरे वतन।
সুপ্রভাত বন্ধুগণ, আজ আমাদের এই ৭৪তম স্বাধীনতা দিবস। ৭০ দশক পেরিয়ে গেলেও এই দিনটি আমাদের ভারতবাসীর মনে আবেগের কাজ করে। এই স্বাধীনতা আনতে যে সমস্ত ব্যক্তিত্ব প্রাণ দিয়েছিলেন, যে সমস্ত বীর সন্তান আমাদের দেশের জন্যে প্রাণ দিয়েছিলেন, প্রথমেই বলতে হয় নেতাজি সুভাষচন্দ্র বোস, বিনয়, বাদল, দীনেশ, ক্ষুদিরাম, আরও অনেক বীর সন্তান যারা আমাদের এই দেশের কথা ভেবে ব্রিটিশ পরাধীন ভারতকে ব্রিটিশের হাত থেকে রক্ষা করেছিলেন এবং এই আজকের এই শুভ দিনটি এনেছিলেন। তাদের প্রত্যেককে আমি শ্রদ্ধা জানাই। আমার পক্ষ থেকে বা আমাদের ফ্যামিলির পক্ষ থেকে তাদের সশ্রদ্ধ প্রণাম জানাই।
Good morning, everyone. Today is our Independence Day and a great auspicious day for us. So, I will give a speech on this day. India is one of the fastest growing countries in the world. It is a land of diversity where people of different caste, creed, religion, culture, and belief live together. India is a country where there is unity in diversity. India is the biggest democracy in the world that celebrates its Independence Day on 15th August of every year. Before independence, the condition of Indians was very pathetic as they were under the rule of Britishers. For decades, Indians suffered a lot under the British rule. Indians were treated as slaves, but there were people who stood and raised their voice against the Britishers and sacrificed their lives to set India free. This is the reason Independence Day means a lot to Indians. Independence Day in India is observed on 15th August every year. It is a national holiday that is celebrated with pride across the nation. It is celebrated to commemorate the independence of India. Every year, 15th August, it is celebrated as the day of happiness and feeling proud as India got independence from British rule on this day. Independence Day is marked as an important day in Indian history. It would be not wrong if we say that it is the birthday of new and free India. As independence approaches, Indian hearts are filled with the feeling of patriotic exhalation. It all started with the arrival of Britishers in around the 17th century. Britishers came to India around 1600s as traders, but with the passage of time, they established themselves as a dominating power in India and made it their colony. As time passes, the tyranny of the British Empire increased and Indian people suffered badly. In 1857, the first war of independence broke out, and since then, people started raising their voice against the rulers. Those who raised their voice against the tyranny of Britishers were tortured, shot dead, or were sent to jails, but freedom fighters did not give up and kept fighting for freedom. By the beginning of the 20th century, India witnessed several freedom fighters and leaders. There were mass protests, movements, marches, etc. against the dominating of British power that took place under the guidance of several leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and many others. Lots of people devoted their lives for the freedom of this nation. Finally, the hard work, determination, and sacrifice of freedom fighters pay off when India moves towards freedom on midnight 15th August 1947. The first Prime Minister of India proclaims the freedom of India from British rule through a speech. This was the end of British rule in India and India got freedom. At this, Indians were divided into various princely states. All the states and kingdoms come together to form a nation, and therefore we can also say it was one of the biggest diplomatic success for Indians. It reminds us of the sacrifice of thousand peoples behind the independence of India from British colonial rule. It is important. It makes us feel proud and give us a chance to honor all the martyrs, freedom fighters, and all the people who participated in the struggle of freedom. Independence Day has great significance as it fills Indian hearts with the pride and patriotism and also infuses them with the zeal and determination to do something for their nation. It also reminds us to remain grounded and does not forget our roots. It reminds Indians to be grateful, humble, and give respect to all the people who are behind this free India. It is also important that it helps to keep the love for country alive in the hearts of the people of India. As Independence Day is a national holiday and has great significance, therefore it is celebrated with zeal and enthusiasm through the country. People of India celebrate the spirit of freedom in different ways. One can see a burst of tricolors flags in markets a week before Independence Day like other festivals. This occasion is also getting commercialized by marketers. Markets are filled with various things of saffron, white and green colors, which symbolize the colors of our Indian national flag. Being a national occasion, it is celebrated in each and every part of India. Every individual and businesses celebrate this big day of India and show patriotism in their own way. School, colleges and offices remain closed on this occasion. However, they celebrate the day by organizing various activities at their premises. The national celebration starts with the speech of the Prime Minister of India on the eve of 15th August. Flag hoisting, singing the national anthem, cultural programs are some of the sights during this occasion. Kite flying is one of the activities that are practiced by people in various parts of India. Kites of various shapes and colors size beautiful spectrum of colors in the sky. Sweets are distributed among people. Various competitions, poetry recitations, speeches, parades, pageants are organized across India. Major government buildings of India are illuminated with lights and flag hoisting is done at the premises. Independence Day is the occasion of feeling pride and keeping the spirit of patriotism alive. Thank you. Celebrate the Independence Day very well. And also like, share and subscribe our channel.
बात जो बतानी है हजारों वर्ष पुरानी है, विलुप्त हो रही जो रीत यहाँ है वही मधुर संगीत। बड़ों का आदर नमस्कार, शून्य का आविष्कार, ओम की मधुर ध्वनि है ये भारतीय संस्कृति। सही जीने की ये विधि, औरत का सम्मान जैसे देवी। महाभारत जैसे युद्ध है, रामायण जैसे पाठ भी। अतीत यहाँ है भगवान, प्राचीन यहाँ के पुराण। अनेकता में एकता, संग गीता और कुरान। प्रेरणा यहाँ आशीर्वाद, गलत करे तो विवाद। पूर्व भोजन का प्रसाद, पापियों को है श्राप। शतरंज जैसे खेल है, बस धर्म के अलग। त्योहारों का प्रदेश है, ये मेरा भारत देश है। वंदे मातरम। जय हिंद। यहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं ऐसी में 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तरपाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।